Look at these call buttons. Wow, Christmas lights, nice. Right here we come to the elevators at the Ashton Hotel in Fort Worth, Texas. I just brought Hanny with me along the ride today.
These are nice elevators. We're into our cabin first. I've never filmed these before.
Installed in 1958. These were modernized in 2000, actually.
Oh, nice. Oh, these are epic.
Whoa, this stop. Oh, I remember this thing stopped so hard. The call canceled. I told you, Hanny, you're gonna love this.
Oh, you weren't kidding.
You will not believe this. I recorded this literally last night before I came here today.
Okay, I'm gonna switch sides.
Yeah, let's do that. I want to get a view of the fixtures. And can we stop on an intermediate floor because I want to show you the call station.
Sure.
Did you feel how hard it stopped?
I did.
Whee! All right, let's stop at an intermediate floor because I want to show the call station. What do you think of the call station out there?
Oh, it looks nice. It looks like they preserved it.
They used to have an Otis sign right there. Can we actually switch to the other elevator car because it has a much better view of the Otis sign right there.
Okay. We'll just send that down.
Yeah, let's switch to the other elevator car because you'll get a much better view of the Otis label. See, this is what I mean by a Christmas take. You'll see what I mean. Watch this. Look at that.
That is so cool.
Look at these doors. They look old, don't they?
They do.
Looks like that uplight barely even works.
I see.
Can we end the video on the second floor after this? You get a much better view of it because I came here yesterday.
Sure.
I think we'll do just that. I'm sure this elevator car was working yesterday when I came here.
Okay.
And I was right.
Same cab view.
Look down there. Look down there.
Oh, nice.
The buttons don't light up when they work.
Do you want to hit that B? Oh, we're going up.
Yeah, the buttons don't work. I think we can.
I want to see what's on.
Oh, the call cancel. Where do you want to go?
Go to B. Maybe it's just burn tab.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay.
You know, this is just like the other one.
It is. This is nice.
Yeah, I
Oh,
know.
we're stopping. Oh, because we clicked it.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, because I wanted to show the red-green feature. I love the motor starting up.
It sounds cool, huh?
Exactly. Are you glad we stopped in here?
Oh, yeah.
How about you end on the basement? I'll end on the second floor because
Okay.
I want to get a better view of the Christmas light call station.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna end it on 2. And there goes Hanny. And we're gonna end the video on 2 because I want to show the call station. Look in the mirror. Hi. This was definitely worth checking out. I love this elevator. I absolutely love these elevators so much. All right, look at the call station. Look at this. Look at that. Well, I'm definitely going to make this a Christmas upload. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it.